Hi, my name's Anae from Motormatch Chester, and today I'll be taking you around one of our used cars for sale, which is this Toyota CHR XL CVT with a 1.8 litre petrol hybrid engine and automatic transmission. This 2022 vehicle comes from just two previous owners in a stunning silver colour, and it boasts 24,473 miles on the clock. The vehicle's automatic headlights, LED daytime running lights and front fog lights ensure you're seen at all hours of the day, and the car sits on these 18-inch alloy wheels and a 10 double-spoke design for a fantastic look. This vehicle does come with front and rear parking sensors as well as a rear view camera, making it easy to squeeze into any tighter parking spaces. And moving into the boot now, as you can see, the boot provides a great amount of storage space, and you do have the option of folding the rear seats for any larger items. Into the rear seats themselves now, they're finished in a full leather upholstery. We have seating for 3 people here with both end seats including ISOFIX child seat preparation if you require this. Moving into the driver's side of the car now, we have the front seats which have been designed with side bolsters to provide the driver and passenger with excellent comfort on those longer journeys, and these seats can be heated, which is great for the winter months. The multifunctional steering wheel provides the driver with access to controls such as volume adjustment and the telephone controls, and you do also have a lever down there for the cruise control and speed limiter. Taking a look up behind the wheel now, you'll see the exact mileage, speed and fuel levels, and you can flick between different vehicle information such as your current charge. Moving over to the main media screen now, on this media screen is where you'll have access to your DAB and FM radio wavebands with a variety of preloaded radio stations to choose from. However, you can connect devices via Bluetooth and USB to listen to your own music, and you can stream apps. You can use that Bluetooth function to connect your mobile device to make and take phone calls whilst out on the go. And this vehicle does come with satellite navigation, making it easier to reach your chosen destination. From here, you can plan routes, save addresses, and locate any nearby points of interest. By going into your vehicle tab, you can view any trip information and also your energy flow. You do also have your connected menu here with a web browser, and by going into your settings, you can view and adjust them to suit you with ease. By popping the car into reverse, it'll bring up the display like so for your rear view camera, alerting you of any obstructions when manoeuvring. Moving down now, just below that media screen is where you'll find your controls for your dual zone climate control, ensuring the internal temperature is perfect for you and your passengers all year round, and you do have your buttons there for your heated front seats. Moving down just below there is where you'll find your ports for connecting devices. You have a USB port there. You do have a cup holder just below, and then moving back, your leather trimmed gear selector. Just below there you'll find your electronic parking brake and your buttons for your EV mode. You do have another cup holder there, and your armrest does open like so for storage of loose items and to reveal a 12-volt socket.